one of the fields in which the hardware for mobile journalism has reached important goals is certainly that one of the tools to acquire the audio. Digital microphones, even wired microphones, preamplifiers or shotguns. Now there is everything on the market, and there are instruments like the Samsung Go Mic Mobile or the iRig Mic H2 that have reached levels of quality and sound fidelity unexpected even just a year ago. These devices, however, have a small, not negligible problem. They can be interfered by the Wi-Fi waves in which we are now immersed everywhere. Or even worse, they can suffer dysfunctions due to their relationship with the codes of the application of filming or the updates of the operating system. I have never liked the idea of putting too many things in my mobile journalist bag, but with this field recorder of the Japanese firm Zoom, imported in Italy by Moger Music, I decided to make an exception to root out a very thorny problem. In fact, if the audio is bad, the video skips, and absolutely the payment as well. The remedy is the F1 Zoom in the version with the lavalier. In the box we also find two batteries to power it, microphone, the lavalier, and the accessories that make up this object that can record MP3 up to 256K or WAV with a quality stereo. The micro SD is not included, and it is the SD in which the recorded file go and are received in a great agility on the field. For mobile journalists, this is an excellent rescue solution that can be put on the interview view belt or on our own, can record everything with a crazy loyalty. To synchronize, just a clap like this one at the beginning of the recording. The transition to the mobile phone will be like that. In a few minutes, then the audio can be taken by unplugging the SD card from the Zoom and putting in one of the readers that you can find in Amazon for €5. It's possible to extract the file and send it directly to the editing application with the application of the reader, you know. With this transition to mobile, we have therefore ready our professional audio strip. Solution A, if you want to record with Zoom F1, or solution B, if you want to record with a microphone, having the Zoom F1 as a second solution, as a rescue solution, it will be okay, and you will even not miss a word.